Hey guys, today we will talk about how can you use radio or search for radio or find radio on your app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on radio down. So then when you click here on radio, when you click on radio, it's going to take you to this list. You just switch into open video, so then all you have to do when it's going to open videos, so can you here search on your country if you want to search for United States or Canada or any another country here. So in plan, can you, so there is a lot of radios can you looking for here. So just click to any radio here. Just click on to this radio, for example, and here can you
It's
listen to
clearly
this
not.
radio
And Patrick.
or save it. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.